Good morning, everyone. It is a proud moment for all the teachers, students, and the members of the managing committee to be present on this first virtual investiture ceremony. On this day, I would like to pay my sincere regards to all the members of the managing committee for their gracious presence and extend my gratitude to all the teachers. I would also like to show my regards to the principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am for their constant support, motivation, and inspiration. Now, I would request our respected principal ma'am to share her thoughts on this special occasion.
Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present today to a much awaited event in the MHMS calendar. Each year, the students wait with bated breath at the school morning assembly for the declaration of names of those students who fill up these prestigious posts that constitute the students' representative body, or the prefects team as it is loosely termed in MHMS. This year, however, we are being forced to organize this event online. One virus has had the whole world reeling and made us globally retreat into our shells. However, it could not put a stop to the process of education, as teachers worked 24 into 7 to keep the students abreast with the syllabi and the norms of these changing times. We at MHMS have been functioning as a well-knit family to propel the school forward, thanks to the able guidance and encouragement from the managing committee and continuous support of our parents. Each technological hurdle was overcome by teachers collectively to catapult the school to its present status. Today, we proudly stand tall, often overshadowing the elite schools of Kolkata. In this journey of academics, as well as pursuit of co-curricular activities, our students have worked hand in hand with the teachers. Keeping their efforts in mind, our teachers have unanimously chosen the present team of student leaders for the year 2020. We believe that this student council shall continue to rise above all others in their pursuit of excellence and glory in the days to come. My heartiest congratulations to each member of this team as we move on to conduct the first virtual investiture ceremony of NHS.
I would request our respected Vice Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts on this special occasion.
A very good morning to you all. Students of today are the visionaries and torchbearers of tomorrow. When we develop personality, skill, and mind, we develop responsible human beings with leadership qualities. I take the opportunity to welcome you all on the special occasion of investiture ceremony. It's rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. The investiture ceremony has remained as one of the most important events of a school. Year after year, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected students' body. Getting a school badge is a great opportunity and recognition. After a lot of speculation and deliberation, the teachers have arrived at a consensus, and we are now ready to vest certain responsibilities and trust on our students. Children from classes 4 and 5 are called upon to shoulder the duties of junior school captains, and those from 9 to 12 will carry out the responsibilities of senior school prefects, captains, head boy, and head girl. My dear children, in a responsible position, you also lose a bit of your freedom. You will be more stringently scrutinized than before. Everybody around you will expect more from you. You will also have to keep a balance between your additional responsibilities and your studies, co-curricular activities, and sports. That is where your leadership qualities will be put to test. If you ask me, what are the greatest challenges of being a captain or a prefect? I would say decision making, dealing with close friends, and of course, the temptation to become popular are some of the biggest challenges you may face. I am sure you will surmount all these and live up to everyone's expectations. This time, the situation is different. So, on this virtual dais, let us witness the deserving young MHMSians vouchsafe their duties and make our first ever virtual investiture ceremony yet another milestone in the journey of distance learning. I congratulate each one of you and wish you a fulfilling experience as a badge holder.
Without any further delay, we begin with the declaration of the junior schoolhouse captains. The chosen captains of Red House are Debangsh Bhomik of 4B and Advita Mondol of 5A. Coming to Blue House, the two dynamic captains are Chandrata Banerjee of 4A and Pragya Verma of 5B. Let's now move on to Greenhouse. And the two very deserving captains are Snigdha Talukdar of 4B and Shostik Sen of 5A. From Yellow House, the two able captains are Dishita Datta of 4A and Kanishka Srivastav of 5B. Congratulations to all the young leaders.
Our chosen representatives from Red House are Ohuna Aich of class 9A, and along with Ohuna we have CH Dia of class 9B. As from Blue House we have Aman Mistry of class 9A and Nandana R. Nair of class 9B. From Green House we have Arundhati Rakshit of class 9A and Ashmita Das of class 9B. Yellow House is going to be ably represented by Bhaskar Das of class 9A and Anish Roy of class 9B. We hope to see a great team effort from you in various school activities. We shall now move on to the declaration of Assistant Vice Captain. From Red House we have a very great leader, Rigom Bhaduri of class 10A. Blue House has got a very dynamic leader, Suhana Singh of class 10B. Green House will look up to the guidance of Sania Sharma of class 10B as well. And Yellow House is going to have a deserving leader, Shaptaparna Poti, who is also from class 10B. Hope you all will live up to the expectations with your utmost sincerity, integrity, and presence of mind.
Now it's time to announce the names of the house captains and the house vice captains. From Red House, we have Shankushubro Ghosh of 11B. Along with Shankushubro, we have Oihiv Dasgupta of 11A. From Blue House, sharing the responsibilities of the vice captains are Sharnabh Chatterjee of 11A and Shubhajit Dao of 11A. From Green House, we have Ishani Shaha of 11A and Soham Mukherjee of 11C. From Yellow House, we have Onik Jana of 11A and Tasneem Sultana of 11D. Congratulations all of you for these newly achieved positions. Now we move on to the positions of the house captains. From Red House, we have Abhijit Singh of 12B. From Blue House, we have Disha Agarwal of 12B. From Green House, we have Mayank Shaw of 12B. And from Yellow House, we have none other than Aditya Giri of 12B. Congratulations all of you.
The school cultural captains and vice captains. The school cultural vice captains are Debangshi Mohapatro of 11A and Sriyojita Chakraborty of 10A. And the school cultural captain is Onik Haldar of 12A. The school games vice captains are Akash Maiti of 11A and Debopom Dhor of 10A. The school games captain chosen for this year is Anne Christina Gomes of 12D. Now we have come to the most awaited segment of the event. The school head boy and school head girl are the role models for other students. The newly elected school head boy is Debojyoti Mondol of 12A and the school head girl is Ankita Paul of 12D. Congratulations to all the badge holders.
We take this pledge to uphold the dignity and honor of our school and perform our duties faithfully and sincerely. In these challenging and turbulent times, we vow to carry out our responsibilities towards our school and our fellow students to our utmost capabilities. And by every action we promise to always strive to take our school forward towards excellence.
The key to successful leadership is influence and not authority. Good morning, one and all. Today, on the occasion of investiture ceremony, I, Ankita Paul, is about to deliver a speech as the head girl of this institution. 12 years ago, I witnessed investiture ceremony for the first time. The only post which fascinated me was that of the head girl. Today, I am honored to bear that same badge. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our principal ma'am, teachers, in fact to our whole management for providing me a platform to develop leadership qualities. I would also like to thank them for having faith in me that I am capable of taking up this role. Even in these hard times, with the cooperation of all, I promise to accomplish my duties successfully and promise to work hard, persistently, day and night for the betterment of our school.
Good morning to all the respected teachers and students. I may fall short of words to express my emotions and gratitude for the opportunity that I have received to be the head boy of Mansur Habibullah Memorial School. I extend my sincere thanks to the management, to my principal, and to all the teachers who inculcated such capabilities in me that I feel confident to be able to carry out my duties responsibly and sincerely. This year, my appreciation for the teachers is even more well deserved than ever before. When the pandemic hit, they had to adjust their teachings completely in an online platform in very brief amount of time. I have realized that teaching goes beyond day in and day out activities in countless moments when we saw teachers going beyond the call of duty. I believe a team is like a set of tools. Not one tool can do all the jobs, but together it surely can. So let's join our hands together to work with team spirit in day-to-day functioning of our school. Let's take our school to greater heights of success. Thank you.
We are proud of our institution, which is as caring as home, where is indulged no substitution for the knowledge of this mystical dome. Being nurtured from the beginning, guided with mother's care, for us thus is only winning, as failure is absolutely rare. Never thus we get worried, be it storm or stress, from the path of knowledge delivered, whatever it's we embrace. We are proud of our institution, which is as caring as home, where is indulged no substitution for the knowledge of this mystical dome. MHMS is the name that teaches us the lessons of life, for every one of us to attain fame and space successfully all strive. So indeed it's a pride for us to be a part of the institution, whose aim is making able humans and lead to their dreams' fruition. We are proud of our institution, which is as caring as home, where is indulged no substitution for the knowledge of this mystical dome.